Greetings, friends. Gemini Brett here with the first of what will be many Stellarium instructional videos, the 2023 version. Today is Tuesday, Mars's Day, January 31st, 2023, although we astrologers know days begin at sunrise, so it's still Monday, the day of the moon. We see Mercury just about to rise now with a Gemini moon. Mercury's dispositor, Saturn, about a novile away in the sign of Aquarius. This is wonderful because we want to kind of explore and expand our consciousness through foundational tools of astronomical exploration. Specifically in this video, we are going to download Stellarium astronomy software onto the computer. I'm actually going to get that going now as I talk about how to do this. The first video of this series is going to be quite simple. It's literally just getting Stellarium downloaded onto your computer. So you go to stellarium.org to do this, and you can probably take it from there and then meet me in video number 2. If you want some help doing that specifically for Mac, because I'm on a Mac laptop here, then stick with me. It'll be a pretty similar process for Windows. If you're on Linux, you already know what's up. I just recently recorded a couple short instructional videos for Stellarium's web version, which is great, but Stellarium web is so much smaller than these other things, and it's actually it doesn't have a specific tool or point of view that I really feel is kind of imperative for astrologers to use to help us connect the planetarium software, like a kind of model of the current or future or past sky, with the astrology chart. Okay, so which one to download? Now, if you're on a Mac like I am, the question is, are you on version 10.14 plus or 11 plus? If you're on Windows, is it Windows 7 plus or Windows 10 plus, right? If there's a Windows 13 and I don't know, you're gonna go 10 plus, right? So for Mac, you click the Apple logo in the upper left and about this Mac, and it will show you what version of the OS you're running, the operating system. So I'm running version 10.14.6. It's a bit antiquated at this point, but there's a few softwares that I have that are gonna go away if I update, and so I have resisted to this point. Okay, so I'm 10.14, and that's why I clicked this one to download. As you saw here in the Google Chrome browser, like the download showed up there, and now that it's finished, it's in my downloads. So in the Finder window, that doesn't pop up automatically. You open a Finder window here, and I can go to my downloads. There's Stellarium. I'm going to drag that into my applications. All right. I'm also going to make sure it's there, scrolling down, and here's Stellarium. I'm going to drag that down to my toolbar and put it here with my astrology apps, because it's something I will use frequently. I don't need this anymore. I could have just double clicked Stellarium in my applications window, but I'm going to click it here, and that should open it up. Now, depending on your security systems, it might not open right away. You might have to even go to your general systems preferences and work your security. I have mine set up in such a way that just asks me, do I want to open this? Do you trust this thing? I do, and I'm very grateful for it. So here's Stellarium 1.2 opening up. We're going to see what it looks like when it first comes on screen, and there you go. Some things are not familiar because I will make a lot of adjustments, and I'm going to bring you through that. Set up Stellarium the way that I like for it to be. We'll get even eventually into like keyboard shortcuts. We're going to get pretty advanced and talk about astrology and astronomy along the way, which is something I cannot not do. All right, so that's enough for video 1. Setting up Stellarium on your computer. I will see you in video number 2, casting a chart.